Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this episode, we will be learning how to turn off sound in HeadBall 2. To turn off the sound effect in the HeadBall 2 game, first of all, open up HeadBall 2 on your device. Now from the main home screen, go ahead and tap on the green arrow button facing downwards at the top right corner. In the pop-up, click on the gear button. In the settings menu, tap on sound. If you have enabled sound on the HeadBall 2 game and if you'd like to turn it off, make sure to tap on the toggle button right next to one of these options and you will then be able to turn off the sound setting and the music setting in HeadBall 2. Make sure that the option is turned off and then you can go ahead and enjoy the game in silence without any background music or sound effects. So that is how you easily turn off sound effect in HeadBall 2 in just a couple of minutes. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Gameplay Classic for more tutorials on HeadBall 2. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.